We've been working with multi-agency partners across the southwest to prepare for the winter flooding season. What EA, Environment Agency, have bought a large quantity of new temporary barriers, and what we're doing is a familiarisation training with troops that may be on standby over the winter period to assist.
All the time we're scanning river levels, we're scanning rainfall forecasts, and we're always looking for when we think river levels are going to get too high. So as soon as we have a feeling that there's a possibility, that's when we'll start to get in contact. We'll start to arrange to get our barriers delivered out to wherever we think the problem's going to be, and we'll start to get the military there to help us.
What we're doing is we're setting up training periods like this. This winter we've got 1,200 soldiers, that's 3 units, approximately 400 per unit, north, southwest and southeast based. And they're at 24 hours notice if they're required.
It's got to go a long, long way until we're going to run out of resources. We've bought 40 kilometres of barrier. The military have 1,200 people on reserve, waiting at 24 hours notice to come and support us. We have our own workforce. We have contractors there to support us. So we've got a huge capacity and capability now. So I don't think that's going to be the biggest problem, is actually prioritising.
Things went well last year. I think they did a great job in supporting the EA. I think they realised possibly they needed some more temporary barriers. That's now been purchased. They have demountable barriers that go into fixed infrastructure. You see those along riverbanks. These can go anywhere. And they are very effective if they're put in the right place at the right time.
There's a lot of ways it can go wrong, and you just need one thing to go wrong, one gap, and that barrier doesn't work. So you're trying to master the fact that the ground's not always level. You got to tie it in at the end, so if water goes round, you've completely missed the point. So you just got to get it exactly right.